Today, I'm showing you a detailed step-by-step guide to install Scarlet on your iPhone or iPad, completely avoiding the need for a computer or jailbreak. Scarlet is a powerful tool that lets you install IPA files directly on your device, allowing access to apps outside the App Store with ease. Let's dive right in. First, open Safari on your iPhone or iPad and navigate to the website link provided in the description. Once there, tap on the DNS link. On the new page, scroll down and tap the next link, then hit Allow to download the DNS profile. After downloading, open your device's settings, select the downloaded profile, and proceed with Install. Confirm the installation to set up the DNS profile. Next, revisit the same website and scroll down to find the Scarlet links under the e-sign section. Tap any Scarlet link, select Install, and confirm again to download and install the Scarlet app. After installation, go to Settings, then General, and navigate to VPN and Device Management. Open the Enterprise app associated with Scarlet. Tap Trust and confirm. For iOS 18 users, you may need to enable airplane mode, ensure Wi-Fi is active, and restart your device after granting permissions. If the Scarlet app fails to open, simply revisit the same website. Scroll down to another link, such as the China continent link, and repeat the installation steps. Once installed, return to Settings, access VPN and Device Management, and trust the new Enterprise app. Restart your device, and this time, Scarlet should work seamlessly. For enhanced functionality, revisit the website again and download the Scarlet XO certificate. Open your Files app, locate the Scarlet certificate folder, and copy the password file from the extracted content. Open the Scarlet app, navigate to Manage Certificates, and select Import Certificate. Choose the necessary P2W and mobile provision files from the folder. Paste the password, and complete the import process. Activate the imported certificate to finalize the setup. Now, you're ready to use Scarlet. Download any IPA file of your choice. Open the Scarlet app, tap the arrow down button, and select your downloaded IPA file. Hit Install, and the app will be successfully installed on your device. This process allows you to explore new apps outside the App Store without the hassle of a computer or jailbreak.